Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use radar from X or Twitter, whatever you call it. Okay, first thing to do is to sign for Twitter Premium Plus. Okay, so those are a feature you got on Twitter Premium Plus. You got radar, is what I'm going to show you how to use. I'm gonna click subscribe a pay. I'm gonna enter my email. My card info. I'm gonna click subscribe and it's done. Now I'm gonna show you how to use radar on Twitter. As you can see here, they say all set. Click continue. Welcome to Premium. Take a quiz. As you can see here, continue. You can get paid. Always. So this is what we are going to use. Continue. Explore Premium. And we got radar here. This is what we got on the Premium Plus. So now it's time to try our Premium. I'm gonna go to radar. From here, I'm gonna track something and see. I can say security. Security camera. Press enter. As you can see here, there are 9,486 posts. Okay. If I can either go on top or the latest post. Okay, the latest is from this guy. If I say top, this is the most viewed in retweet, as you can see here. Okay, we can edit it, and then we can see a post that are talking about security camera with a minimum of 50 retweet. Okay, column 50, and I press enter. It's showing all the tweets.